massive truck meets a bad decision, things go wrong fast. Titan rig brings wild trucker mistakes, unbelievable crashes, and moments gone completely wrong. Sit back and let the chaos begin. When one bad decision turns into everyone's problem. A Hollywood stunt scene without the Hollywood budget.
That wire. Yep. Snag it. Oh. Got it down. Step.
The polls basically said, if one goes, we all go.
Got it down.
Stop.
Looks like the tire found a very creative way to call it quits. Someone just turned a normal drive into a live-action fireworks show. All my sons promised moving services, not ceiling renovations. The cab is still here wondering where the rest of the truck went. This truck behind was clearly trying to become part of the convoy. Nothing like a surprise push from a trailer to speed up your commute. Good thing the traveler behind was abiding by the 3-second rule.
It's bouncing a little.
Yeah. Oh! There it
goes.
Turns out an empty trailer is basically a wind's favorite toy.
Check on him.
This truck driver's simple lack of attention led to a serious mistake.
The DRS and that. Right.
Hell.
There is to see. Why is it just these
FedEx just discovered the one thing that doesn't arrive on time.
Jesus Christ.
As well, but I just don't think he's going to be able to sneak down the inside. He's actually going to lose a place.
everyone had stopped except the one thing that mattered most. Some hills don't challenge the vehicle, they challenge the person behind it. This is the kind of incident that makes underground cables look like a great idea. Someone just proved those power lines needed a little more height. The line was stopped, but the chaos was just getting started.
Sé dónde está el restaurante. Pero sé dónde está el restaurante.
Clearly, he was more concerned about what happened to the hay bales than the train coming his way. Failing to slow down and maintain distance is exactly how preventable crashes happen. The tire gave up and the whole situation followed. The warning signs were there, but apparently they needed a personal demonstration.
There's a train coming. There is a train coming. There's a train coming. Oh, he's gonna hit that son. She's gonna hit him. Oh my.
The train wasn't late, but someone's decision definitely was. This is what happens when you bring a big rig to a car wash. If your day feels unlucky, someone out there just had a much worse one. A terrifying crash in Binghamton, New York shows why following distance matters, especially with heavy trucks. At least the gravel found a way out. even if the truck didn't. A steep road isn't the problem, it just reveals who is ready for it. This truck tried to reverse, but the flood wasn't letting go. Some drivers leave memories, others leave repair bills. Another reason to inspect the machine before trusting it with the road. Bad weather doesn't create bad decisions. It just makes them impossible to hide. Maybe he just pulled over for some McDonald's. Somewhere, a tire technician just got unexpected good news. The weather created the problem, but the driver created the aftermath. Sometimes the hardest thing to share isn't the road, it's the right of way. If you ever wondered how an entire neighborhood loses power instantly, now you know.
Pero si, por ejemplo,
the snowplow was doing its job. Someone else almost created a new one. That's a bowl way to check if a bridge is solid.
That is not what I want to be next to during this either. Oh, bro, holy.
And this is why you never want to stay in the lane next to a hauling truck. If you ever find yourself in a tough spot with no way out, just remember this guy.
Sta demolendo Marianassa. È andato fuori di testa, dai. È andato fuori di testa, dai. Sì, vabbè, però stiamo un po' esagerando. Guarda, ha sbragato tutto.
What can a defensive driver do to be prepared and ready for this situation? Somehow, even standing still wasn't enough to avoid trouble.
كده اسمع لي اجا لك وين حط الكيبل؟ ايه
Watching down the bottom. There you go.
Maybe the truck wasn't a fan of the recovery plan.
Oh, it's still brand new cars.
Somehow, the truck is still more committed than most people. Might be time for tires with a little more grip. Apparently, trailers enjoy a good belly rub too.
هذا شلون يمشي كذا والله يا جماعة شيء عجيب. الله يستر الله يستر الله يستر الله يستر الله يستر الله يستر الله يستر الله يستر الله يستر الله يستر الله يستر راح. لا إله.
Someone's paycheck just took a hit.
لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. يا ربي سترك يا كريم يا ربي سترك. شوف شوف شوف راح بين الشجر. لا إله إلا الله لا إله إلا الله. ليش صاحي سكران؟
A bad day at work just found a new definition. Forget the crane. I want to know what that pole is made of. I'm not sure Temu sells trailers like this. Snow and ice don't forgive rushed decisions. Slow down and stay in control. That support bar had one job and chose the worst time to quit. Someone's paycheck might feel a little lighter after this. Wet pavement always finds a way to humble drivers. A few more seconds, and this would have been a different story.
Oke, ini dia Putra Mahulu. Pantulan 20. Oke, ini dia Putra Mahulu, pantulan 20.
That engine is probably asking for a long vacation after this.
Oh, my man. Blunders!
Out of all the roads available, this one somehow made the list. The job was taking out the trash, not creating more of it. Wrong move, wrong moment, and the worst possible witness. The route was planned. The ending definitely wasn't.
Zaten Allah Allah Allah Allah Allah Allah. Sen sağa
Ben sağa yanaşayım da.
girdi.
Yapma. İnelim bakalım.
Alanda bir şey yok Allah'tan ya.
Dur da biraz şey geçelim.
Ama iyidir.
Even tanks have their banana peel moments. Not every collision needs two moving vehicles. You could say it was tired of carrying that much weight. Trucks have blind spots, but that doesn't mean drivers can ignore what's around them.
You've been backing up the whole f***ing hill. You need to get out of a truck, ass.
No cargo, just a big sail waiting for the wind to take over. Well, at least now we know the trailer hitches are built tough. You have to wonder where FedEx finds this kind of talent. Never thought Transformers would learn how to twerk.
Мне интересно, удалось ли вам пересечься на площадке и сыграть в кадре с нашими мэтрами?
Phones are great tools, but terrible passengers when they steal your attention.
Не пустили.
The trailer starts making decisions without asking. Work zones need patience, not speed. Slow down and stay aware.
С миром сделать, или он должен воевать до последнего, как сейчас, кстати, и происходит. С Боингом все понятно. Во всем виновата Россия. Вопрос только...
That's one way to lighten the load for better gas mileage.
Чтобы свалить на Украину или просто...
Getting a strike in highway bowling. A perfect score for destruction. Pretty sure this wasn't how the driver planned to start the day. That's all for today's Road Chaos. Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like and subscribe for more wild moments. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.